You guys, oh my god, I know you see what I'm wearing. Today we have a quick Skims unboxing of some of my latest pickups. I've got a few items: Skims vintage tees, some of their new ribbed shorts with drawstrings, and of course this little jelly sheer. So it's a quick video. I do have a Skims hotel coming up, and then the Skims new summer mesh. You guys know I'm a Skims fanatic. I absolutely love, adore Skims. I do have some special news coming up over on Instagram. Do be sure to follow me over on Instagram if you guys aren't already. Another thing, I do have some affiliate links below, so do be sure to shop them. Let's just get straight into it. This literally just got dropped off and I had to put it on. People's number one main concern would be, is this see-through? This is double lined, making it perfect to wear. It is a size large, and when I was pulling it up, I'm like, oh my god, I gotta shimmy in here. It fits perfectly. Why I decided to go with the dress and not the bodysuit was because I felt like the dress had more to offer. I could literally tuck this into some jeans and kind of make it look like a bodysuit, or I can wear it as a dress whenever I wanted to wear it as a dress. So I love this, like, love this dress. The colors are stunning. I'm actually here for the new print that Skims is giving. This triangle bralette, the way it's going, it's just holding my boobs intact, and I don't feel like, you know, moving. Like, I can go to a whole dance party and get to going, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not afraid that my boobs are gonna pop out, because typically with their triangle bralettes, my boobs be popping out. This, gorgeous. I'm just so flabbergasted at the actual gorgeousness. A few items I got, I'm gonna just show them to you. I'm gonna do this video a little different because it's the end of the day. Girl's a little lazy. I have already taken clips of what it looks like on. I'm gonna just let you guys know my initial thoughts because these are still available. So these are the rib shorts with the drawstring. This is bone in a size large. These are just like they're ribbed, you know, they're classic tanks. You know what those feel like? These feel just like that. They're not too thick, but they're not too thin. They're the perfect size. I got a large, and I'm happy I went with a large. I feel like a medium would have fit, but I wouldn't be able to wear it outside of the house. They're as see-through as any of the other Skims, but I absolutely love the fit of these shorts. They are so comfortable and so damn cute. I also picked them up in gray. This heather gray shade is pretty much sold out. They might have like a 2X, 3X still available if you guys are interested, but for the most part, this gray is sold out. They do still have bone, and of course they have black. So I got all of the shades. They were like 30 bucks, $32. So I felt like they were way too affordable for me not to pick up all of them. This just has the drawstring, and as you guys can see, it's got the ribbed material. Super comfy for lounging or even wearing out. You guys know me, whenever I do pick up Skims, I like my Skims to be something that I can actually wear on an everyday basis. This dress is giving damn cute. So this collection is still available. Do be sure to shop my links below. I absolutely love the dress. I knew I was gonna love the dress because I was really trying to debate, do I need the bodysuit and the dress? But the bodysuit literally looked just like the dress, so I opted for the dress for the more bang for the buck. I also picked up some vintage, so let me show you guys the new colors, the new styles that I got in vintage. As always, I've already tried these on. If you don't follow me on TikTok, you guys need to head over to my TikTok. TikTok normally always sees things first, but this is that new shade, which is Dune. It's kind of like a khaki color. It very seldomly, is that the right word? It definitely mimics desert, but it's like a hint away from desert. Maybe when I go pick up the tanks, I'll show you guys the difference between dune and desert, because they kind of look similar, but they're enough. If you can like afford to get both, they're definitely two different colors. But I absolutely love the long tees, and I love these in a size large. So if you guys are inching to pick up the vintage, because I did see that this isn't a limited edition collection anymore, and it's a part of their like essentials, so I can definitely see them dropping more Skims vintage. This is one of my favorite lines. They're so comfy, so stretchy. With the t-shirts, I say size down. This is the new color. Gorgeous. When I say this color is everything. It's moss. I got the Raglan Tee in a medium. I do hope that they come out with more styles in this tee, like this, the original cropped cropped t-shirt. This is so cute. Absolutely love the color. It matches with my eyes perfectly, and you guys know me, can't help myself. I also picked it up in green long sleeve. I like this is inside out. I like the long sleeves in a size large for any of you guys wondering, and I like the short sleeve shirts in a size medium. I feel like the large just fits me better. Regardless, this is very body contouring, body hugging, so even if I got a 2X, I could still fit it. You know what I mean? XL. I'm over here jumping the broom, but if I even got it in an XL, it would fit perfectly. Let me show you guys these tanks because I didn't know how I felt about them. Like, I don't know if I love them or hate them, but I'm gonna show you guys these Raglan tanks. So here are the Raglan tanks. I only picked up 2 shades, ash, which is the off black color, looks like a charcoal gray, and then I picked up Dune. Dune low-key was my favorite. I'm gonna show you guys pictures and videos. Dune low-key was my favorite. I like both, and I got them in a size medium. I feel like this would just be something easy to throw on with some shorts, throw on with some jeans, and call it a day when it comes to outfits. Let me just briefly share with you guys the difference between Dune and the other color. Okay, so briefly, this is Desert, and this is the new color Dune. As you guys can see, they're kind of similar. I feel like this is more of a paler tone, but they're similar enough to not need both. If you don't have the means to get both, by all means necessary, you don't need both. You can just pick whichever color. I honestly think Desert is a more flattering color. It matches with a lot of the other collections, but granted, with Skims, with Skims, you can mix and match all colors, which I absolutely love. But these Raglan tanks, they do have some styles, some colors available. I think that they're cute. I don't know if I love them or hate them, but I still have them. I'm not returning it. Granted, if I didn't like something, I would 110% let you know if it was getting returned or not. Like, I'm not afraid to tell you guys what I like and what I don't like. You know what I mean? Romance, I was telling you guys I wasn't feeling the black, but I think I wasn't feeling the black because of the bra. I had on a whole sports bra. So when I tried it on, I thought it was sexy, you know, but I just think that I would wear it as like a bathing suit cover up, the romance dresses. But I love the crop tops and pants. I don't know what vibes you guys picked from that video, but I love the collection in general, and if they are to restock it, I will pick up the pants and the crop top in the gray. These are my recent pickups that I've gotten. I also did pick up the Raglan top in the white shade because I've been wanting more white colors, not even just from Skims, but a lot of my white t-shirts that I have. My husband is a little lazy and he washes all of our colored clothes with our white, so my wife's be getting dingy, okay? But you guys, I absolutely love this little jelly collection. It's so comfortable. I was not expecting that. I probably will go back and get some of the bras because these are cute. Like, when I say cute, damn cute, I could even, like I told you guys, tuck it into some jeans, wear it as a jean. They still have them available. Shop my links below. The shorts, they still have the shorts available too. Shop my links below. Just go on ahead and click and shop because you guys help me continue to make these Skims videos. I'm so thankful that all of you guys love my Skims videos, and it just really brightens my day that you guys like Skims as much as I do. I get so many DMs whenever I post the links, like, so what you getting, what you got, what you getting? And it just fills my day that I have a community of people that like something just as much as I do, you know what I mean? But this dress, she's serving. Like, this is damn cute, okay? All right, talk to y'all next time. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.